Hello friends, welcome to Lok Satta Yashasvi Bhava. I think you must have started your preparation for your preliminary examination. Definitely, the articles of Lok Satta Yashasvi Bhava would have proved very much for your preparation. Today, we are going to see how to prepare question number 1 and question number 2. Basically, both the questions are very important not only for poor students but also for clever students, as it helps us to get good marks for poor student to pass the examination and to score more marks for the clever student to score more in these subjects. Basically, 50% of the paper is covered in these two questions. So both the questions are very important for each and every student who is appearing for SSC examination. Now friends, both the questions are seen and unseen passages. We know that there are 17 lessons in our textbook. Out of that 17 lessons, only 2 lessons will be very important as far as seen passages are concerned. We know that how to write the answers of seen passages. Even question number 2 is based on unseen passages. Though the question is based on unseen passages, it is quite easy to write the answer of this because the unseen passages are totally based on what we have already learned. Because most of the unseen passages are based on the unit we have already studied in the textbook. So the pattern of question number 1 and question number 2 is very same. Okay, we know that in both the question and seen and unseen passages, both the questions are for 40 marks. The pattern of both the question is like this: A1, A2. Okay, we know that whenever you get question paper, do not start reading the given passage directly. Whereas, first of all, read the A1 and A2 question first, and then B question first, and then start your reading the passage. After reading the passage, again pay your attention to the simple factual question, that is question number A1 and A2. We know that it is very important to write the proper answer of the question. You are not allowed to write the lines from the passage as it is, as this is called simple factual question, so the answer should be written in facts. So the expected answers are in a word, in a group of words, or in a clause. So you should write the answer of A1 and A2 in a word, in a group of words, or in a clause. You are not allowed to write the answer as it is from the given passage. Even if you are confident, you can write the answer in full sentence. Only the thing you want to be very confident about that. Because sometimes what happens, when we write the answer in full sentence, we forget to change the verb in the answer. Even sometimes we forget to write the to be's in the answer, so it is better to write the answer of A1 and A2 or simple factual question in a word, group of words, or in a clause. We have already seen how to write the answer of this in the articles of Lok Satta Yashasvi Bhava. Definitely you will keep it in mind and you will improve your writing. Second question is called a complex factual question. Basically, the answer of this question is there in the given passage. Only the thing, you have to collect the ideas according to the given question. Then you have to put the ideas according to the given question. You have to put the ideas in proper sequences. Then start or begin your answer as per the question given to you, or sometimes you can also end your answer as per the question given to you. Listen, it is very important that the answer of complex factual question should not be written as it is from the passage. You can make certain changes in the answer. Only the thing, sometime you have to change the pronouns, sometime you have to change the tense. You should keep in mind or keep the change according to the given question. So friends, it is very important to get 2 out of 2 marks. Only the thing, if your presentation is good, if you do not commit mistakes in the answer, you will get 2 out of 2 marks in the complex factual question. But when you write the answer as it is from the given passage, and if you do not make certain changes in the answer, your mark will be deducted. So friends, it is very necessary to write the answer of complex factual question according to the question given to you. Begin or end your answer as per the given question. Now we are shifting our attention to question number C. Basically, C is based on grammar. We know that the grammar given in question number C in seen and unseen passage and the grammar given in question number 3, it is totally different. So what type of grammar is given in question number C? So the grammar, what you learn right from the A standard, is asked in question number C. There is no specification about the grammar in question number C. But how can you prepare? You can prepare the grammar as it is given in the grammar focus in each and every lesson. So practice the examples given under the lesson. If you practice a lot, definitely you will get confidence about grammar. And we know that the part of grammar is very important. Only the thing, you have to practice a lot. Definitely you can achieve good marks if you practice grammar very well. Try to understand what kind of grammar is asked in C question. Especially there will be assertive to exclamatory, exclamatory to assertive, negative to affirmative, affirmative to negative, changing the degree from superlative to positive or comparative to comparative to positive. Even sometime the question of question tag, frame of verbal question, frame WH type of question, then use as soon as, hardly when, no sooner than will be also asked in question number C. Beside that, use to, use so that, remove to will be also asked in question number C. So there is no specification about the question C. Whatever grammar you have already learned from 8th standard, just try to prepare it, because the C question is for 8 marks, and if you prepare it well, definitely you'll get good marks. Okay friends, now we are going to shift our attention to question number D. Basically, this question is based on vocabulary. As far as English is concerned, we know that vocabulary is very important. Without it, we can't do anything, you can't write or you cannot speak well. And so, it is very important. But here, we want to get marks studying vocabulary. Basically, the important thing in getting marks in vocabulary is to understand the instruction. Most of the time, whenever the children do not understand the instruction, they don't understand what to write and what not to write. When they do not understand the instruction, they write the wrong answer. So, understanding the instruction is very important. Basically, the SSC board has given 14 to 15 types of question in question D. So just try to understand what type of questions are given or asked in question D. First, it is find out similar words. You are very much familiar with it. Second, find out opposite words. We are very much familiar with both the instruction. Again, a different type of instruction is given. Find out synonyms and find out antonyms. Sometimes what happens, we do not understand the meaning of synonyms and antonyms, and so we do not write the answer. Synonym means similar words, whereas antonym means opposite words. Then Next type of question where in D type of question is asked, it is match the following, fill in the blanks by using the proper word or phrases from the passage. The next type is arrange the following words alphabetically. There is also a confusion in this question because though it is a very easy question, sometimes children get confused. The another instruction given for this question is arrange the following words according to the dictionary entries. We know that the words arranged in dictionaries are according to alphabets. So the meaning of both the instruction is same. Arrange the following words alphabetically or arrange the following words according to the dictionary entries. Both the meanings are same. The next type of question is find out the odd man. You have to find out the odd man which is not suitable in the group. Next type of question is make nouns, make adjectives, make verbs and make adverbs. Okay friends, so sometime the question based on word register are also asked. For example, in your lesson, this is what love is all about. The question will be asked like this, find out the words which are related with medical profession. So sometime you have been asked to find out the words which are related with certain profession. So friends, just try to understand what kind of question will be asked in question D. Just study it properly, try to understand the meaning of instruction and then write the answer. As far as practice is concerned, we know that our textbook gives a lot of practice. If you practice glossary given under each and every lesson, definitely it will be very much helpful to prepare a vocabulary type of question. Besides that, you can also solve different question paper of different schools and SSC board. Definitely it will give you a lot of practice of question D. Now friends, we are shifting our attention to E type of question. Okay, E type of question is called personal response type of question. Whenever we check paper, what do the children do? First thing, they do not write anything in the answer. Definitely they'll get 0 marks. Second thing, they write the answer but they use the lines given in the passages. So again they'll get 0 marks. Because this type of question is called a personal response type of question in which your personal response is expected. If you do not respond personally, you won't get marks. So just try to write 3 to 4 sentences, maximum 5 sentences according to the question given to you. But do not use the lines as it is from the given passages. Just try to attempt it because it is well said in English that a drop makes an ocean. If you try this question, definitely you will get minimum half mark, and definitely half is better than 0. And so if you attempt it, you will get half mark and you will increase your marks. So friends, both the questions are very easy. It needs a lot of practice. Definitely you have already practiced question A and question 1 and question 2, but if you practice a lot, it will definitely help you to get good marks. The remaining part of the question paper will be discussed in the next part of our series.